Hey Solchicks fam, what is up? How are you all doing? I hope you all doing amazing. This video, I'm just giving you guys a quick update on Solchicks. So you may have noticed that Solchicks hasn't been launched on Raydium yet. It was supposed to be launched on December 6th, which was last week. However, on December 5th, they made an announcement that they're going to change that date to December 13th. So this is one of the reasons why it is not yet listed on Raydium, and you're not going to be able to buy it yet until December 13th. One of the reasons why I believe that they made this change is because of the huge crash we had in the market last weekend. So they feel like it would be best for them to launch this token on a different day where the market is not so volatile. So yeah, just mark this date in your calendar. The release for Solchicks on Raydium is going to be on December 13, and it will be released at exactly 2 p.m. UTC time zone. Okay, the price per Solchick when it gets released will be approximately 0.05. And if you don't know how to purchase Solchicks on Raydium when it gets released, well, lucky for you, I made a video on how to purchase it on Raydium. You can check it out up here. Okay, so that is it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update because I noticed that a lot of people kept asking why isn't Solchick launched yet on Raydium. So yeah, I hope this update has made it clear for all those who were confused. By the way, if you're new to this channel, my name is Sarah, and on this channel I talk about trading and investing in cryptocurrency. So if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching and have an amazing day.